Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage, and here is your 2 minutes or less tip of the day. All right guys, basically I want to talk about our tires. Let's check out our tires. See the knobbies, they're not always going to be knobbies. Sometimes they're going to be 50-50s, 70-30s, 80-20s, 90-10s. Heck, they can go all the way down to where it's just a full-blown motocross tire, depending on what you like to run. Now, what I like to suggest is that basically, if you look at my tire, it's a fairly new tire, okay? Every tire has information on it. You'll see right here, it will actually tell you what the max load is, the range, all that stuff, PSI levels, the whole 9 yards. If you're riding on street, I totally suggest running them at least all the way up about 90% of total PSI, which mine's like right around 32. They're all going to be a little bit different. Definitely on your rear tires too. You want to air those up. Got both bikes, got the KTM, got the CRF 250 Honda. If you look at those tires, they're aired up because I'm riding on the street because I'm not doing any off-road at the moment. So basically, I want to make sure that I got my PSI levels up. So that's going to keep my tire. This right here is the EA04 805. That's from Shinko. Great tire, by the way. They're not real expensive. They're actually really inexpensive, and they work great on the street. Here's the deal. If you're going to go off-road, air them down, take them down to about 50% of what their actual true PSI is. It's going to get much better traction off-road, and you are going to be able to handle that bike a lot better. Then you can actually go and air that tire back up whenever you're done riding off-road. If you keep the air down and ride them on the road, you're going to get waffling or cupping, and that's where this starts getting all wavy across here, and your tire's basically going to go trash pretty quick. So make sure you air that tire back up. This is your tip in 2 minutes or less, guys. Have a great day.